Microscope 200X with USB camera. What's in the box? A microscope, USB camera with cable, CD with software, tool to clean the lens, and a charger. We also have the Microscope 200X available without the USB camera. Push the On button and place the microscope on top of your Anilox roll. Now watch through the eyepiece lens, and with the dial you adjust the sharpness. You will now see a sharp view of the cells of your Anilox rolls. When you have chosen for the option with USB camera, you can loosen the eyepiece lens with a small screw. Take the eyepiece lens off and place the USB camera on top of the microscope. Now gently tighten the screw again. Connect the cable on the camera and to your computer. You are now ready to start. Place the microscope on the top of your Anilox roll, open the software and adjust the sharpness. With the Snap button, you can save your image, and with the Record button, you can save a video.